Today I'm showing you how to fully automate your not-pixel farm. First, download Python from the official website. I already have it installed. Next, go to the folder with the program, to receive which you need to go to my Telegram channel, link on the screen. Run the run file and wait about 5 minutes for the installation of the necessary modules. In the .evn file created by the program, you must enter your API ID and API hash and settings that you will receive along with the program. Run the run file again and select the second item to create a session. We enter everything that the program requires. Run the file again and select the first item to start the farm. Everything is ready. Visit my Telegram to receive the program.